Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the SPX500 or the S&P 500, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the S&P 500, I mean, to me, it definitely still looks like a 1, 2, 3. We've definitely been going down very, very strong, but I mean, it still kind of looks like it needs to push up again just to finish off a wave 3 before it even makes a wave 4 and a wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, very strong move to the downside, but it definitely has not broken structure to the downside yet. Definitely don't see any significant lower highs. To me, it still looks like a 1, it still looks like a 2, and it still looks like this is very likely to make a higher low and continue back up just to finish off this wave 3, probably ending someplace around the $5,900 area, right around the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the daily time frame, ever since we broke structure to the downside way back here, I have been looking for shorts on sort of time frames. So I mean, for me, the way I trade, I mean, yeah, I definitely am expecting this to be a crescent to this move up right here. But you know what? I'm looking for shorts, and if it does decide to break to the downside, then whatever. I'm looking for shorts anyways. So I am looking for shorts. I'm definitely going to continue to look for shorts unless I see like a double bottom at a Fibonacci level and a break of structure to the upside, which I definitely do not see yet. I will continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. We do have a pretty significant bounce at a Fibonacci level, but that is definitely not enough for me to say that we're back into the uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is probably where you're more likely to see that double bottom. We have a fib level. If it does, go down one more time and then make a bounce and break structure, then that definitely will be what turns me into a buyer. At that point, I would definitely believe that this is an A, this is a B, and this is a C, and that it's heading back up, continuing the uptrend. But unless or until I see that picture right there, I'm actually looking for shorts. So at the end of this next pullback, if I go short and it just blows right past that Fibonacci level, proving that this is not a correction to the move up on the daily time frame, that is definitely not going to create any issues for me because I'm just going with the flow and trading with the trend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, keeping all that in mind, I am definitely looking for shorts right now. I would try to get in on three-way pullbacks. I would like to see three waves up. I would like to see a lower high, and I'd like to see a nice big engulfing move to the downside for an entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Until I see what I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame, I am doing nothing but looking for shorts on this shorter time frame. And if it does just keep on going down, then guess what? I'm going to be trading on the right side anyway, so I'll just continue to go with the flow, which for me, the flow is definitely to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.